हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इमेज अब्राहम की 10 पावरफुल टर्म्स का सीरीज 1। तो सबसे पहला टर्म है एलेगरी, मीनिंग अ स्टोरी, पोएम और पिक्चर दैट हैज़ हिडन मीनिंग, हिडन पॉलिटिकल, मोरल और स्पिरिचुअल मीनिंग। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जॉर्ज ऑरवेल एनिमल फार्म is allegory of Russian Revolution. So allegory works on two levels, surface meaning and deeper meaning. Alliteration, repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of nearby words. For example, sea cells on the shore. So creates musical effects and help in memorization, used in poetry, slogan and speeches. Next term is allusion, a short indirect reference to a famous person, event or text. For example, he was a real Romeo with the ladies, reference to Shakespeare Romeo. Helps readers connect ideas with the shared cultural knowledge. The next term is ambiguity, when a word, phrase or statement has more than one meaning. For example, the chicken is ready to eat. So, who is eating, or is the chicken food? Used in poetry and literature to create richness of meaning. Ambiguity, when a word, phrase or statement has more than one meaning. Archetype, a universal symbol, theme or character type repeated across cultures and time. For example, the hero, the mother, the trickster. So Young and Northrop Frye discussed archetype, important in myth criticism. So a narrative poem, often sung telling story in simple language, is valid. Now, the ballad of, for example, the ballad of Sir Patrick Spens usually has quatrain rhyme and deals with love, death, or adventure. Blank verse, unrhymed iambic pentameters, 10 syllable per line, rhythm but no rhyme. Example, Milton Paradise Lost and Shakespeare play, called the novelist form in English, flexible, natural, speech-like. So unrhymed iambic pentameter is blank verse. Caesura, a pause in the middle of a line of poetry. For example, to be or not to be, that is the question. So it adds dramatic effect and breaks the rhythm for emphasis. Next term is canon, a set of works considered the most important and influential in literature. For example, Shakespeare, Milton, Chaucer are part of English canon. Next term is carpe diem, meaning in Latin, seize the day. A theme is encouraging to enjoy life now, enjoy present life. Now, for example, Robert Herrick's To the Virgins, to make much of time, and Andrew Marvell poem Mistress. So in our next video lecture, we'll continue with the next 10 terms from the book of M.H. Abraham. So be with us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.